On summer break, you know the house can quickly turn into a noisy battlefield. I know how exhausting it is. Please, don't worry. You are not alone, and you are not failing. I am here to share quick, simple solutions to help you handle your children's. By following my videos, you will improve your daily English skills while helping your children become more confident and independent. I have easy tips to help them play on their own and stop the fightings before it starts.
Good morning, baby. It's time to wake up. Good morning, baby. It's time to wake up. Let's make your bed. Let's make your bed. Please brush your teeth. Please brush your teeth.
Let's make breakfast together. Let's make breakfast together. Wash your hands first. Wash your hands first. Where is the milk? Where is the milk? I am pouring the milk. I am pouring the milk. Can you hold the spoon? Can you hold the spoon? Careful, it is hot. Careful, it is hot. We need 2 bowls. We need 2 bowls. The bread is in the toaster. The bread is in the toaster. Put the butter on the bread. Put the butter on the bread. It smells very good. It smells very good. Do you want some fruit? Do you want some fruit? I am cutting the apple. I am cutting the apple. Please set the table. Please set the table. Put the forks here. Put the forks here. Sit down on your chair. Sit down on your chair. Eat your healthy breakfast. Eat your healthy breakfast. Do you like your food? Do you like your food? Yes, it is delicious. Yes, it is us. Are you finished eating? Are you finished eating? Yes, I am full. Yes, I am full. Let's clean the table. Let's clean the table. Put the dishes in the sink. Put the dishes in the sink. Help me wash the cups. Help me wash the cups. Dry the plate with a towel. Dry the plate with a towel. The kitchen is clean now. The kitchen is clean Now. You did a great job. You did a great job.